Okay, to make laundry detergent, we're gonna make liquid laundry soap. We're gonna start by grating a Fels-Naptha bar. And so we're gonna grate it and then we're gonna melt it into 4 cups of boiling water. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those 2 things prepped and then we'll move on. Okay, so we're gonna add the 4 cups of water into the pot and get it boiling while we grate the bar. So this goes on the stove to boil. All right, so here's our 4 cups of boiling water. We're gonna turn that off. And then we've got the ground up Fels-Naptha bar is going in here to melt. So we're gonna just stir that up and let that dissolve. Over here, maybe. We're gonna let this finish dissolving while we start the next part. So we're gonna go over to the sink and get half bucket full of hot water. And we're gonna fill it halfway. So while this fills halfway up, we're gonna add our soda and our borax. So we're gonna get a half a cup of the a full cup of the washing soda. Add that right in there. And a half a cup of borax. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and just stir that up. I just have a big wooden spoon, just till those dissolve, and then we'll add our soap. Okay, now that we've got our soap dissolved, we're gonna pour it in the bucket with our 2.5 gallons of water here. Just stir that up with everything else, and then we're just gonna top the bucket off with hot water and be done. Then you just stick the lid on. You're just gonna stick the lid on after we're top this with water, and then leave it overnight, and you'll just stir it in the morning. Okay, just top that off.